Awiye ye no me say ebi awiye ye tan a wo so adem na nsa wo so. Ebi awiye ya na no tinsuo ne yete aduane de wura mu obetena wa daje dantimi. Awiye ya ba. Yeah, dantimi. Police depot, I went to see a chief director. Ya born pampas finra. 2 days exercise. You just chief director. You born pampas from yesterday. Sabi mwenim was send on team. Because someone didn't buy any call. To what team what Johnson near go pampas and what team. But the Bible made a submission the other day. Psalm 37 and verse 37 was a kariwatini. Behold the upright and mark the perfect man. The end of that man will be peace. Yeah. And your blindness, and I'm telling you, baby, and say your tongue. Kurame Timwe has become our capital, very solid. But if you ask, you know, and Sasi will cream here, because of blindness. We can't see. No, we can't see far. We can't see. I want to ask a question, especially to the custodians of the land. In the next 40 years, do you think that the great-grandchildren which will be born, they will have a space? Because of blindness. We can't see. We can't see. We went to buy a land in a particular place. And the old man that was receiving the money, I asked him, do you have a bank account so that we can do a wire transfer of the funds? Because we thought that the money was too much to carry it into the village. Then he asked the subject, Ekemini. And then I repeated what I said. And then the old man said to me, this was 24 years ago. And as I'm speaking to you, the old man is still alive. This was 24 years ago. Truly, Ishka. But he is not dead yet.